GATE 2025 Aerospace Engineering paper question number 42 is the equation of a closed curve in two-dimensional polar coordinates is given by r is equal to 2 by root pi bracket 1 minus sin theta bracket close. The area enclosed by the curve is dash. Answer in integer. So suppose this is the curve or elemental portion of the curve having thickness dr at radius r and subtending an angle small angle dc. So area of this elemental strip is r d theta is your this arc and into dr is your thickness of the strip, so that is r d theta dr is the area of this strip. Okay. So total area is r d theta dr double integration, as r is varying from 0 to r and this d theta is varying theta is varying from 0 to 2 pi. So double integration 0 to 2 pi 0 to r d theta dr is the total area. Okay, so this is the elementary strip at a radius r of thickness dr subtending an angle d theta at the center. So we have to take the variation of r also and variation of this theta also. So we have to double integrate it, and the limits of theta will be at 0 to 2 pi and limits of r is for 0 to r. Okay. So now if we first integrate with respect to r, then it will be r square by 2 d theta, and now we can put the value of r in terms of theta, that is given as 2 by root pi 1 minus sin theta and its square by 2 d theta. So now we can solve it. So that will be 4 by pi by 2, and this will be 1 minus 1 plus sin square theta minus 2 sin theta into d theta. Okay. So now this will be a 2 by pi, this will be 1 plus 1 minus cos theta by 2, 2 sin square theta is 1 minus cos theta, so sin square theta will be a 1 minus cos theta by 2. Okay. So this is same as it is. So now this 1 plus 1 by 2 is here 3 by 2, and minus cos theta by 2 minus 2 sin theta. So now integrating it, it will be 3 by 2 theta, and this will be your cos theta integration is sin to theta by 2, that is cos theta by 2 is your sin to theta by 4, and this will be your sin to theta integration is minus cos theta, or here already minus is there, so it will be plus. Okay, now limit that 2 pi to 0. So if we put the limits here, this will come as 0. This will also come as 0, because this will complete 2 cycles 0 to 720. This will complete 1 cycle 0 to 360. Okay. So their limits if we put, will become 0. So this will be your 2 pi. Theta will be a 2 pi. Okay, and minus 0, or we can write it as 2 pi. So putting this limit, we will consider we will have this part only, because this part and this part will vanish. So it will be 3 by 2 into 2 pi, and this will be 2 by pi. So 2 will cancel out, pi will cancel out. So answer is your 6. So answer is 6.